this video, I'm going to explain how did I implement my stem and leaf plot. For the first question, how is your main function organized? I organized into 6 levels. For the first level, I print out the greetings and let the user enter numbers to 1 to 3. After that, I will read the file in uh, convert the file content into a number list. And then I will get my stem and leaf from the number list. Besides of that, considering the length of numbers arrays, I wrote a function to compare the maximum length of the stem and the length of each number's stem. So last level is to display these numbers as a stem and leaf plot. So how do I determine how many digits of each stem and leaf? It's here. So for each number, I always put the last digit as a leaf, and the rest of the digits will be the stem. So for the third question, I'm going to run my code, and it will print out the first is greetings and let us enter a number. And then it will print out a stem and leaf plot like this, and it will continue let us enter a number. So let's try 2, it will print out another plot, and let's try 3. So it will show us the third plot like this. And if we would like to exit the program, we just need to hit the enter and it will end the program. So for the first question, so I will give you an example. So for the situation, the length of each number are variance. What I did is I first tried to find out the maximum length of the stem, and for each number I will compare the length of each stem to the maximum length of stem, and if that length of the stem is less than the maximum length, what I will do is to add a blank space before the stem value like this. So I will add a blank space here. So try to keep the format of all stem as same. And for the situation, if I have a file and the file contain numbers that only have 1 digit, what I will do is to add a if condition before here, and the if condition will be if the length of the number is equal to 1, then I will let the stem be the 0 and the number itself will be the leaf. So that's my explanation for these 4 questions.